Are you struggling with uneven foam cuts, slow production, and material waste? This is exactly where the IR-1625LR1 CNC foam cutting machine makes the difference. With a large 1600-2500mm working area, this machine is built for factories that demand precision, speed, and consistency. From soft foam and sponge to EPS and fabric-backed materials, every cut is smooth, accurate, and repeatable. Watch closely as the CNC system follows complex designs effortlessly, reducing manual labor and minimizing errors. No rough edges, no wasted material. Just clean contours and perfect shapes every single time. Whether you are producing foam packaging, sofa cushions, advertising props, or custom prototypes, the IR-1625LR1 helps you increase output while maintaining top-quality results. Stable structure, easy operation, and industrial-grade performance make this machine a reliable long-term investment for modern workshops. If you're looking to upgrade your foam cutting process, reduce costs, and stay competitive, don't skip the rest of this video. This machine might be exactly what your factory needs.